Despite the fact that the price of Tesla stock has been declining over the last few months, I was curious what all of you Tesla bulls believed the company would be worth by the end of 2023. According to Dan Ives of Weber Securities, Tesla stock will have tripled by year-end. In such scenario, we will present 5 reasons why the value of Tesla's shares could triple by 2023. Continue watching, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay connected. You'll be pleased to learn that there are a few unexpected benefits. Though numerous predictions have been made regarding Tesla stock, this one based on whiteboard research appears to have the most potential. Although Tesla's stock has been trading at a discount, there is a good chance that the company's value could soon increase dramatically. Let's examine the causes of Ives' threefold rise in prediction. As additional tax incentives take effect on January 1, 2023, EV sales will only increase further. Many new and prospective customers are unsure if they will be eligible for the federal tax credit on electric vehicles now that a number of additional standards and benefits have been reinstated for consumers in the United States. Long-term financial viability of purchasing an electric car may be improved by the Cost of Living Adjustment Act of 2022, the most comprehensive climate bill ever passed in the United States. The approximately $369 million that Joe Biden's plan, which was signed into law on August 16, allocated for climate action. A portion of the funds will be used to raise the tax credits for the purchase of electric vehicles. A minimum of 75% of the vehicle's parts must originate from the U.S. or other countries with which the U.S. has free trade agreements. These are among the requirements that buyers must fulfill. While many companies might not be able to benefit from this, Tesla is one of the automakers who can take use of the tax credit. Zachary Kirkhorn, the chief financial officer, claims that the IRA is a game changer for the automaker's acceleration objective. However, the eligibility requirements for the credit won't be entirely obvious until the Treasury Department releases guidance, which is expected to happen by year's end. During the Q3 results call, Kirkhorn expressed to analysts his belief that Tesla is in a strong position to receive a substantial portion of the credit for both solar storage and electric vehicles. Here's where it gets exciting. Tesla stands to benefit a lot from using the tax credit, whichever it decides to utilize it. In the coming years, Tesla's profits will surely grow, even if demand isn't strong enough. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, has previously said that the company wants to boost yearly output to 20 million cars, which would require a major expansion of its current factory network. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, told shareholders during the company's annual meeting that the firm might build 20 million cars a year by 2030, despite the fact that some media sites had expressed skepticism about this estimate. Although the firm had produced fewer than 3,000 automobiles 10 years prior, Musk disclosed that it had completed the production of its third millionth vehicle in just a few weeks. By the end of the year, Tesla is expected to produce 2 million cars, according to Musk. In order to fulfill an output of 1.5 to 2 million units per factory by 2030, he believes Tesla may end up building at least 10 or 12 gigafactories. The business is presently working to scale up production at its current factories. It might soon start automating its procedures to boost output, much like Tesla's Shanghai factory did. This should result in high numbers in the years to come. There's a bonus at the end of the video, so watch it through to the end. The third catalyst that will cause an immediate change in Tesla's share price is some discussion about Elon Musk's recent use of Twitter. However, as the winter dust settles, it's becoming less and less of a public and marketing focal point for Tesla. Major analysts worry that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, won't be able to concentrate on the business due to his new position at a social network firm. Elon Musk has acknowledged that he is trying to appoint a new CEO for the company and that his workload has increased. Fears are starting to fade, and Musk appears to be managing his job at Twitter well. Similarly, investors now have a fresh focus on the semi-truck release. Rather than focusing on the noise, they should be considering Tesla's profitability and capacity to continue increasing production in the upcoming years since inflation seems to be declining. Due to growing market expectations, the Fed may opt to temporarily halt interest rate hikes. According to Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller, policymakers are poised to approve yet another rate hike, although they'll probably go with a lower increase of 0.5 or 50 basis points this time. When the Federal Reserve raised its benchmark interest rate by 0.75 percentage points in September, the third consecutive rate hike, the new economic data made them feel more at ease and encouraged them to consider cutting back to a 50 basis point boost. The stock market was severely impacted by the recent interest rate increase, and investors' concerns about the future were tempered by the Fed's admission that inflation is lower than anticipated. Former Federal Reserve Vice Chair Lyle Brainard recently voiced confidence about a study on U.S. inflation that showed price increases were moderating and forecast that the Fed will soon scale down its rate hikes. We finally arrived at the last and fifth reason to be bullish about Tesla stock in the near future. The Cybertruck is highly anticipated and might provide the stock a welcome lift. Tesla is getting ready to start making its Cybertruck. According to recent sources, the vehicle may go into mass production by the end of the year at the Tesla semi-delivery ceremony. Although Tesla is being cautious, it's feasible that the semi-truck will be on display during the event, which would be a major story. Tesla's detractors have discussed its goods, such as the Cybertruck and the next-generation Roadster, but their arguments are unconvincing. During the company's Q3 2022 earnings call, Musk stated that Tesla's Giga Texas facilities are already prepared for the Cybertruck. This is why job postings on Tesla's recruitment website imply that Musk's statements might be true. To top it all off, it appears that Tesla has started hiring in order to train for their first Cybertruck, and this is when their employees get their bonuses. Tesla has secured a patent for a novel class of patents that will be applied to the Cybertruck: new windscreen. There are numerous aspects of Cybertrucks that set them apart from other vehicles. The unorthodox design is based on the premise that pickup truck designs haven't changed much in the past 30 years, and Tesla thinks it can break the cycle by creating something fresh. The Tesla armor glass on the Cybertruck is one of its most innovative and well-known designs. Glass for the Cybertruck is one of the several materials science projects in which Tesla has been actively funding. The following is how the manufacturer characterizes the Tesla armor glass. The Cybertruck's glass is fascinating because it mimics the vehicle's sharp characteristics, but it can also absorb and redirect impact force for increased performance and damage tolerance. The glass is made of an ultra-strong polymer layered composite. Tesla has secured a new patent to produce glass that can be shaped to produce unique forms that are often unattainable in the conventional automotive glass industry. I hope you liked the final extra bonus that I mentioned in the video earlier. It's amazing that Tesla engineers are such experts at what they do that by altering the windscreen material, they will permanently alter the design of cars. I appreciate you watching, and if you find this information about Tesla interesting, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the future video.